What's going on, guys? Nick Hellman here, aka the Crypto Hitman, and I want to do a quick video for ArcX AI, a jewelry design company that is launching their ArcX token today, May 7th at 1600 UTC on both the Base and Ethereum networks with liquidity added to Uniswap. ArcX is changing how the world shops for jewelry with our AI and IRL mass market mobile design platform, all powered by the ArcX token. This is a very interesting project because it is taking a Web3 business that is tried and true, and that is luxury goods and jewelry, and bringing it to Web3 utilizing AI technology. This isn't a hope, a dream, or a fantasy. The application that they have has already been approved by Apple iOS and by Android's system as well. I forget what the Google one is. So I expect the token to launch today, the applications on both Apple and Android to go live within a couple days, and they've already said they have 2 centralized exchanges lined up. They have a marketing campaign underway. They're going to be launching staking using Ferrum's Ironvest technology, and the list goes on and on. This project is launching at a 300,000 initial market cap with liquidity on both Base and Ethereum, like I said, and a 7 million fully diluted valuation. Plenty of upside. A lot of the questions come around, well, how will Web2 users understand ArcX in order to utilize this AI app and to buy jewelry? Well, for Web2 users, they'll be able to use credit cards to purchase jewelry just like anyone else, and all the ArcX utilities and market buys and buybacks and burns will all be happening on the back end without them even needing a wallet. Now, if they want to opt to learn about crypto and to get a Web3 wallet to have actual ArcX tokens, then of course they will get a discount. So that's another utility for those of us in crypto that understand. If you have the ArcX token, you can stake those for passive income. You can get discounts on generating jewelry that you can sell to others, or you can get discounts on jewelry that you buy for yourself. The biggest thing is here that 10% of all jewelry sales or luxury good items will be used for ArcX token buybacks and burns, creating a deflationary supply shock along with market buys, which will support the price and support the momentum of this microcap gem. So let's take a look at their deployment message here, but let's watch this video first.
The luxury industry changes forever. The ArcX token, which powers the world's first AI platform, is going live. May 7, 4 p.m. UTC. Get ready. Go to arcx.ai/token to AI revolution today.
There you go. Nice, simple, concise, and here's some of the information that I kind of already laid out. ArcX launching world's first AI luxury jewelry token, the ArcX token. Remember that ticker, you will be seeing it everywhere. When? May 7th at 1600 UTC. Where? Uniswap. What? ArcX. And its consumer-focused AI mobile app have the potential to revolutionize how jewelry and luxury is created the world over. The Arc Jewelry app, the first of its kind, enables anyone on Earth to instantly design and build professional level jewelry in seconds. The opportunities are endless. You can build a piece of jewelry to buy for yourself, or there's going to be the opportunity of adding collections, collaborations with DJs, with Instagram models, with influencers, maybe the Learn Crypto community, where I can make a Learn Crypto jewelry collection. When any of those are bought by my community members, a percentage of that goes back to me who created the collection, and then of course profits go to ARC themselves, where 10% of that jewelry sale goes back to ArcX token buybacks, burns, and staking rewards. This momentum could build rapidly. Jewelry pieces from anywhere from $100 up to $10,000 generated on this platform. You can see how this thing could really explode. By leveraging artificial intelligence, ArcX democratizes the design process, challenging a $350 billion centralized industry. AI is set to disrupt over 300 million full-time jobs in the next decade, and the world of luxury is right in its crosshairs. Yes, this is an AI sector crypto and an RWA sector crypto. Why? Well, AI is utilized to generate all these jewelry pieces and luxury good pieces, and then of course you can opt to turn that into a real-world asset. Physical piece of gold, platinum, silver, whatever it may be, bronze I believe they have as well. 2 sectors that are really hot in crypto, a real world business that is worth $350 billion currently, has nice profit margins in which 10% of all sales go back into token buybacks. So you want to get on here, you need to check out some more information. I don't want to read through all these, but they have the token utility 4 paragraphs here. You have the short video. And of course, you just go to ArcXAI is their Twitter handle for more information. You can get to their website. If you invest in the pre-sale, the claiming portal is on there as well. And guys, it should be exciting. Launch today, 1600 UTC on May 7th. Base chain if you want cheap gas fees. Ethereum chain if you have thicker liquidity there. And look out for not 1, but 2 centralized exchanges over this next month. I'll see you guys soon.